Oh my goodness.
Can you blow up the ring? Can you make it bigger so they can see it?
Oh yeah.
Blow that sucker up. There's enough diamonds on there.
God. Hala. Hala. Mahal. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
I love you, honey.
I love you so much.
I want to love you forever.
Thank you, hon. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Are you sure? Are you sure you can
Come on.
Oh my god, thanks. Oh my goodness, thank you. So, oh my god, that's a beautiful ring. Oh yeah, I remember before. You remember guys when Mike do live, yung nag-live si Mike, tapos sabi ni Mike pupunta siya ng shop. Pupunta siya ng shop. Pumunta siya ng jewelry. Tapos nagpagawa siya ng sing-sing. Akala ko joke-joke lang yung nagtanong siya kung anong size ng sa kamay ko, yung mga sing-sing ko ba kasi nakita niya yung I wearing ring. Sabi niya, mahilig ko pala sa sa mga accessories. So, mahilig ako sa accessories kahit fashion lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, tapos sabi niya, anong size ng mo, yung sa kamay mo? Sabi niya sa daliri mo, 6 ata, 6 or 6.5, like that. Oh my God, guys. And then Mike, oh my God, Mike, pumunta talaga siya sa shop, tapos nagpagawa ng sing-sing. Alam niyo ba? Oh my God. Ayun, hindi ko na lang sasabihin. Oh my God, ha? Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you so much. Oh my God. So I will not call you Jowa. You are not my Jowa, na?
Nope. What am I called now?